back to my channel. Today I'm going to do another Stitchfix unboxing for you. This would be February 1st, February's unboxing. So a little bit about Stitchfix. It's a monthly fee of $20. I have a reference code if you want your first box free down below. It's a $20 fee, styling fee. You get a box as frequently as you want. I get mine every couple weeks, so I do unboxings every couple weeks. So if you want to keep watching and see what's in my box, please stay tuned. Okay, so I haven't actually looked or looked at the box. So let's see what's inside. So what you get is the return package here. It's prepaid, and you put back in here whatever you don't want. And envelope here with your price sheet, and then your styling card here. Let's see if it's the same girl. Let's see if it's still Nicole. No, I have a different style this time. Her name is Louisa. So we'll see. All right, put the box down. And paper's over here. And here's my bundle. There's the front. Here's this side. It's kind of dark. So let's see what's inside. Okay, here we go. Okay. So the first thing looks like a pair of black pants. Stretchy, nice pants by Mix. Oh, these are really cute. They are Mixed by 41 Hawthorne. They're the Middleton Point Skinny Pant, black, size 0. They're really nice, like work pants. Okay, next item is a sparkly shirt or jacket that looks like something for work. It has black and has sparkles. It is by Lemon Tart. It's the Morgan Sparkle Knit Blazer in size extra small. Okay. The next top is, oh, I've seen a bunch of people get this. This top here. Has the cutouts here. So this is the 9 Britain Naples cutout knot top, gray, extra small. There it is. It's cute. Next in the box is this top here. It looks like this in the back. Okay, Daniel Rain Barcoo lace detail blouse in burgundy, extra small. I don't know. All right, I've seen people get this one as well. All right, so this one here is black top. I can find the front here. So the black top, 3/4 length sleeve, black top. And in the back it has this knot. And this is the Colette twist knit back top, black, extra small. So a lot of the stuff in this box is really not my style. So let's look at the price sheet and see what the prices are. And also I'm gonna read my style card. Next is the Mixed by 41 Hawthorne, black, size 0, the pants, $48. Okay, next is the 9 Britain Naples cutout knit knot top, an extra small, it's $42. And then last but not least is the twist back top. This one here, it's $34. Personally, I'm not so impressed with this box. This is not really my style. I go for a more like edgy more in style kind of style. And this isn't it. I mean, this top, I would not wear. It's just not my style at all. This is a definite no. I don't do sparkles. See the sparkles? No. All right, so let's do a try on and then see what fits. Okay, so here's the black knit top. It's really cute. Here's the cutout in the back. It's okay. I mean, it's not bad. It fits nicely on the length here. It's really nice. So we'll have to see. Okay, so here's the gray top. This, I don't think so. I don't really like this at all. It's not my style. You could see my bra through here. I don't know. I mean, it's comfortable, but it's just not anything I would wear. Okay, so here's the burgundy top. Something I didn't think I would like, I actually really do like. I like the detail in the top. It's really cute and it ties in the back. It actually fits very nice, and this is actually one I might actually keep. I have the black pants on. These are way too big. They're bunchy right here. They just are unflattering, so no. I don't like that, but I really do like this burgundy top. It's really cute. So I added the blazer onto this. This blazer is a definite no. It's not my style at all. It fits really nice, but the sparkles, if it didn't have the sparkles on it, I probably would have kept it, but it's not me. So what I basically found that is that the burgundy top is probably going to be the one that I'm keeping. It's actually really cute, and it's actually my style. Well, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and follow my channel as I do unboxings every 2 weeks. Thank you.